Hey guys, John here. I want to take a minute and tell you about one of the vehicles on our lot for sale. This is our 2011 Chevy Equinox. Over here at 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. We have this and we have a whole other great selection of vehicles for sale right now, but I wanted to highlight this vehicle because it's really just a good looking car. So it's a SUV, seating for 5. Has one of the nicest things about any car in Wisconsin, and that is it has a remote start. If you hold that and then hold the little circle button on the key fob, that's this guy right here, that little button, whole thing will come on for you. Always good in Wisconsin, so you don't have to wait for your car to heat up when you're actually in it, right? Good looking car, gorgeous looking exterior. One of my favorite parts of it though is actually the interior. It's got that brown and black, just complements the outside really, really well. The inside's a really nice place to be. You got plenty of room in the back seat. Another just great looking back end there. Just fantastic looking vehicle. And one of the biggest benefits of any SUV, I've said it 100 times, I'll say it 100 times more, trunk space. You get more room. They're just very useful in that way. Another cool thing about this one, does have a backup camera. So if you're looking for a vehicle, I'd love to see if I can help you out and get you driving. Give me a call at 920-455-7788. Or just stop in and visit us here at the location. Have a great one, guys. We'll talk to you soon.